Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall updates in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Windows Update. You want to select Update History. And on the right side, you want to go down underneath related settings and select uninstall updates. This will take you to the control panel, and then you should see updates in here that are fairly recent, and you could just select the update you want to uninstall. And you can see that one did uninstall. Pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.